How to download and install Messenger mobile app. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. So for that, first of all, go ahead and open App Store in your mobile device. Once you open it up, you'll have to make sure that you're signed into your account. Now once you are signed in, simply tap on the search bar and then search for Messenger. Once you search for it, simply tap on Messenger, and then below Messenger you'll find a download icon. Tap onto it, and once you tap onto it, the downloading will get started. Now as you can see, the downloading has been completed. Now once it is completed, you'll find this open option, which means that Messenger is successfully downloaded and installed in your mobile device. Well, that's it guys. You can now go ahead and log into your account and then enjoy chatting with your friends and family. Well, that's how you can do it guys. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end and stay tuned until our next upload.